Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb, and we're with Red Racing Industries. Now, today I want to talk about something that I've got a little special here. So let's go ahead and hop right in. So right here is my 1985 and a half Porsche 944 Targa. So reason why it's a Targa is because back in the 80s, because this is bigger than a sunroof, it was technically a Targa upon further research. But this is the glorious POS that I have in the kindest way to say it as possible. Now, a couple of my favorite things are the doors. Really, that's my favorite thing, aside from the color being pretty. But we're going to go ahead and I'm going to do a little bit of a walk around and show you. This thing's all janked up and set up because it needs a lot of parts. Now, on my other channel, Caleb Red Official, we are building this bad boy. Or girl, it's really a girl because it's a pain in my butt, to hopefully factory, if not maybe race spec. And now one of my things are out, okay? So that didn't happen. But anyway, you can see under here, this is the engine. We need a lot of stuff to be done. Oh, there it'll say now. But we've got, our brake reservoir, brake fluid reservoir. We've got to do the brakes. We've got to bleed the brakes. We've got clutch cylinder, master cylinder, all sorts of stuff that we got to get done. We've got a lot of parts back here, ready for oil change and stuff like that. We're going to eventually need tires, so and so forth. I've named on my other channel. And eventually we'll get this baby going again. We've got the battery on a trickle charger so that it can be that way. So it can stay charged since we're not driving it. Now, I will say, and you can go check out the video, I got it running finally. It only took a little bit of work, but you can go check out that video once again at Caleb Red Official. It is a 5-speed manual, and the idea is to make this a hybrid of daily, like my Civic Type R, and track weapon like my Civic Type R. Now, the Civic Type R is not modified at all, and I will talk about that in more videos. But this Porsche 944, we're going to at least return it to a factory spec. We're going to go through, get everything done, basically restore it. Now, along the way, as I'm getting it working and we drive it and I decide that I don't want to put really expensive seats in there instead, really comfortable, expensive seats, instead just go with some buckets or something, or change the steering wheel, whatever it might be, things can change. But as of this time, this is expected to be a hybrid track weapon. One being street, that's part of the hybrid, and the other portion being able to drive this on the track. Now, that is part of our journey of racing. I'm cleaning up the garage here, but this is another step into racing that we've got, is getting this beautiful Porsche 944 ready to drive. I mean, we've got a lot of things that are missing. That's one of the more expensive pieces. Anyway, I do, as always, appreciate y'all for watching. Any questions that you do have, any support that you may want to provide, I do appreciate it. I'm always looking for sponsors, so everyone comment Porsche. Hopefully they can reach out and help me restore this beauty to glory and maybe put her on the track for some light racing. Other than that, I'll see y'all on the next video.